In front of me Realme 9i, and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. So unfortunately by default the AOD feature is not installed on the Realme 9i, so we should get the application from the Play Store to activate the AOD, and now we should go into the Play Store to do that. And here in the search pool you should enter the Movies Edge application, and now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application is downloading and then installing on your device. Now just open the app here, click Draw over Apps, and now just near the Movies Edge click once on the switcher and go back to the application. Here you'll see the AOD section. You should select one from these tabs, for example this one, click here to apply and go into the settings, tap on the always on display and be sure that the switcher is turned on. And by this way we can turn on the always on display feature on our Realme 9i, and now we'll check that, and as can you see we just successfully activated the AOD here. So that's it, thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.